Sixth subject computer, chapter number 5, part 2, effect applied for transition. In the slideshow view, the effect of transition can be viewed with one slide changes to next. Now whatever changes we have made in the slideshow view, that can be seen from when we change from one slide to another slide. The transition effect can be applied to one slide for the whole stack of time. The transition effect can be applied to one slide for the whole time. Following are the effect. What are the steps which we have to follow? Click on the transition tab and choose the slide which you intend the transition effect. Just select any slide which you want to apply the transition effect. The ribbon will then show transition to this slide group. The ribbon will be there which will show the transition to this slide group. For the transition effect, click on the more drop down arrow. Choose any transition effect for the list of choice. The current slide will exhibit preview of the selected effect. Now see, when you will select it, this side of option will come. Different options will be there and you have to select any one of the option. Choose the effect option in the transition to this slide group to select an effect for the chosen transition. Now you can select any of the effect which you want to apply to your particular slide. From the timing group, click on the drop down arrow of the sound option and select the sound effect of your choice and click on the preview button on the extreme right of the button. See, the sound button will be there. You can select any of the sound. You can select the duration and you can also apply it to all. If you want to apply the effect, you can apply it to all. In the timing group, pick the duration box and select the timing of the transition by entering the number of second or minute. As I've told you, you can just select the number of second or the number of minutes in that drop down option. If an automatic slide transition is required, then click on the after checkbox. The slide advanced timing can also be specified in a spin box. Now, if the automatic slide transition is required, then click on the after checkbox. The slide advanced timing can also be applied in the spin box. If the effects are to be applied to all the slide, then click on apply to all button, else the transition effect will be shown only on the current slide. Now, if the effects are to be applied on the slide, then click on the apply to all button, else the transition effect will be shown only on